In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make money selling baseball caps on eBay. We're going to walk through the listing process from start to finish so you can get your product live quickly and clearly. This is a simple workflow, and once you do it a few times, it becomes much faster. Start by going to eBay and clicking on Sell. This takes you into the seller area where you can manage listings and create new ones. From there, click on Create Listing. This opens the listing setup page and gets you ready to add your baseball cap as a product for sale. Next, in the product search field, type something like baseball caps. The goal here is to help eBay identify the item category and suggest possible product matches. This can save time later because eBay may pre-fill some listing details for you. After typing in the product, click on Find a Match. eBay will show you matching or similar items based on what you entered. Choose the same match that best fits the baseball cap you want to sell. It's important to select the closest match possible because that can make your listing more accurate and easier for buyers to find in search results. Once you've selected the match, click Continue. eBay will then ask you to select the condition of the item. Make sure you choose the condition that best describes your cap, whether it's new or pre-owned. Being accurate here helps build buyer trust and can reduce returns or questions later. After selecting the condition, click Continue again. Now, you'll arrive at the main listing form where you can enter the product information. This is where you complete the details for your baseball cap listing. Take your time and review everything carefully before moving on. Clear and complete product information makes a big difference when you're trying to turn views into sales. As you fill in the listing, make sure the information matches the actual item you're selling. Accuracy is especially important for apparel and accessories because buyers want to know exactly what they're getting. A well-prepared listing can help your cap stand out and improve your chances of making consistent sales on eBay. Once all the product information has been entered and reviewed, the final step is to click List It. That publishes your listing and makes it available to buyers on eBay. And that's it. You've now created a baseball cap listing on eBay using the built-in matching process. If you want to make money doing this, the key is to stay consistent, create accurate listings, and keep the process simple so you can repeat it again and again.